Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a side hustle with Upwork, full guide step by step clearly. To start your side hustle with Upwork, begin by visiting the Upwork website. Create an account by signing up with your email address or linking to your Google account. Once you have your account, choose the type of freelancer you want to be. Fill out your profile details thoroughly. Include a professional profile picture that clearly represents you. Write a compelling bio that highlights your skills and experience. List the services you are offering and make sure they are specific. Set your hourly rate based on your experience and market trends. Add work samples to showcase your skills effectively. Take the Upwork readiness test to understand the platform better. Once your profile is complete, start browsing available jobs. Use filters to find projects that match your skills and interests. Read job descriptions carefully to ensure you meet the requirements. Prepare custom proposals for each project you apply for. Address the client by name and mention specific details from their job listing. Explain how you can help them achieve their goals with your skills. Keep your proposals concise but informative. Set realistic deadlines for project delivery in your proposals. Once you receive job offers, communicate clearly with the client. Discuss project specifics, timelines, and payment terms before starting. Deliver high-quality work within the agreed timeframe. Maintain communication throughout the project to ensure client satisfaction. Once completed, ask for feedback from the client. Use positive reviews to build your reputation on the platform. Continue applying for more jobs to grow your side hustle further. Over time, expand your skills and services to attract more clients. Stay updated with the latest trends in your field to remain competitive. Remember, persistence and dedication are key to your success on Upwork. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.